Right, so this is the Fiido D3. And I ordered it in white and it came in black, but they did tell me that when I ordered it. It folds down on the handlebars. You can remove the seat. This is just a quick look at the controller box. I think that's what that is. And then if you take that flap off, that's where you plug in the charger. And this one came with a 2-pin charger, which is a bit weird, so I have to get an adapter for that. It's got disc brakes. That's the motor at the back. There's disc brakes at the front. There's a little logo on the middle of the bike telling you that it's a battery bike. That's the little controller. And I've seen some of these with a USB port at the bottom, but this one didn't have it. And then that's the twist throttle on that side. Beautifully demonstrated. And then there's a headlight at the front. You can turn that on and off. And a little horn. And you turn the power on by holding down that middle button, and those lights flash. Then that little bar chart at the bottom tells you how much power you've got, and then you can click through with the plus button for the amount of assist that the bike will give you when you're pedaling. Otherwise, you just twist the throttle and it'll go.